In this video, I want to show you how to reset the network settings, so the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and your data connection on your iPhone 16e. If you're experiencing any issues with these, that's a great way to solve many problems. So you're going to find the settings icon on your home screen. You're going to tap on it, and usually once you tap on it, it should look like this. From here, simply go down and select General. Then go all the way down in this menu, and the last or almost last option should be Transfer or Reset iPhone. Don't worry, this is not a factory reset. It's the same way to do a factory reset, but slightly different. So over here, you're going to click on Reset, and it will give you the choice. What do you want to reset? In our case, we want to reset only the network settings. So the pictures, your apps, every personal data will still remain on your phone. So you're going to select Reset Network Settings. You will have to type the passcode of your iPhone. And as it says here, this will delete all network settings, returning them to the factory default. This is what we want. So we're going to press the Reset Network Settings button. Wait a few seconds. It will do its thing. The iPhone will shut down by itself. Don't touch anything. It will come back by itself. So now if I open the iPhone, I will have to reconnect myself to the Wi-Fi and to all the other Bluetooth devices that were previously connected because the network settings have been resetted. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.